Hello everyone, this is Adio Richard Philip again and welcome to my channel. In our last video we talked about how to buy a cheap hosting plan from Namecheap and get a free domain, and I showed you a step-by-step tutorial on how to register on Namecheap, how to verify your account, how to look for better domain name, register it on Namecheap, buy domain and hosting all together using shared hosting, select the normal hosting plans and others. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into your cPanel after buying your domain and hosting, logging into your cPanel, installing your WordPress from the cPanel, and how to set up your WordPress, install some plugins, how to set up some plugins, and everything needed to know. So if you are coming in for the first time, I'd like you to kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment and share the video so to reach more people. So let's get started. So let's click on that go to cPanel. Welcome to your cPanel. So this is chemicals.store cPanel. This is our cPanel now. Although they are going to send you some details like your login details to your cPanel, and the second option is to log in directly from your Namecheap account to your cPanel. But let me just make it sharp. That's the reason I'm logging from my Namecheap directly to my cPanel. So you won't forget what we are here for. We want to install our WordPress. So we click on the WordPress. Click on the WordPress. You click on install. So you are selecting version 6.6.0.2. Here is normal. You are selecting 6.0.2. Scroll down. Your site name. Actually change your site name to anything, and you can change later. Penny store. Username is Kenny. Let me still make use of Kenny stores. Password my Kenny. So I change the actually change everything later. Like I said, yes, you can change later. So you need to input your admin email. Hope you are getting it. You need to input your admin email. So I do remove this limit login items, although it's actually normal for you to include all these, like especially the limit login items. So you will actually know if anybody is trying to log into your WordPress without your permission. So once they keep trying login to your account after the third time, seem like after the third time or the fourth one, they are going to log the account temporarily. So and take all this and check the theme and others later. So I need to put my mail here. The reason why I'm putting my mail here is that so they can send all the details to me, all my login details and everything. Then I click on install. Okay, so everything has been installed now. Has been installed now. So they will send your WordPress details. They will send your WordPress details to your mail. So for our admin URL, that is kennycoast.store/wp-admin. Yes, they send you both your password and your username, so you can be using that to log into your word to your WordPress. So since the account has not been propagated, so let's leave it for a while, then we continue later. Okay, so after we install our WordPress now, we need to wait for it to propagate. Don't forget we just buy a new domain and hosting. So we now come to a new tab and create a new tab, then search for the URL. Okay, it is kennycoast.store/wp-admin load. Okay, it's logging directly because I've logged in earlier. So if you click on the URL, it's going to ask for the username and the password, and it has been given unto you. It has been given to you before. Now the next thing is to install our plugins. I click on the plugin. Let's actually delete all this. Select all, then apply for everything has been deleted. Okay, so we click on the add new to add some plugins. You can just add something you want. Maybe you want to, like I said, we are making, if you want to be creating a one page website, a landing page for your product or service, you can just, maybe you are running advert for e-commerce, you can just install Elementor, Thrive, or you are making use of Thrive page builder, Flint form, WP Formo, and others. Okay, so you come here, search for the name of the plugin you want. Let's say I want to install Elementor. Elementor is a page builder. Elementor. Okay, so you click on the install now. You can activate later, and you can click on the activate to activate directly. If you want to add any other plugins, then you still come to this same place, search for any plugin that you want, WP Formo, forms, and others based on the name of the plugin you are installing. So all these skills now. For the pages, if you want to create a page, for the media, you can add some pictures and videos that you want to add, insert in your, maybe your landing page or anywhere. Plugins, appearance days for the theme, we want to change the themes. And I've already shown you how to install some plugins that you are going to select this plugins area. If you are installing a new plugin, you click on add new to install any new plugin. When you click on the add new, you can actually install the plugin by searching for the name of the plugin here to install, or upload from your files on your the system. So about the plugin, you can install the plugins, upload from files, or come to settings. After that, you can actually come to settings, also general settings. You want to make some edits. Like I said, if you remember the first, in the beginning, we didn't edit our this WordPress description and others. You want to edit anything, you can actually edit everything here. Your site title, tagline, language and others, and your premier link, how you want your premier link to be showing. Some people do run adverts online and you'll be seeing something like this id number and everything on their sales page link, instead of just clicking on the post name or custom structure. So you can actually edit to your taste. If you want to create page, you come to these pages. That's another section to talk about how to create a sales page and everything. That's another something. I'm not going to talk about everything here. If you want to create page, come to the page, add new. So you can click on add new, put your page title. Maybe you have a page title. Yeah, after putting your page title, new one, your page title, then you click on publish. Based on the page builder you are using. Maybe you are using Elementor, Thrive and others. You can edit with Elementor. We are not going to talk about all these things now. You can edit with Elementor. So install plugins, set up your Flint form, FOMO, everything. That one is if you are running, if you want to be using it for e-commerce something. If you want to be using it for another something, you should know the plugins you are going to install, how to create your page, your post, change the template, your theme, and some settings. We have different something that the user has tools and everything to export your personal data and others. So I think by now you can actually work on WordPress. You can install your plugins, know how to set up your plugins, pages, and everything. So thanks for watching. And if you have any question concerning everything I've explained, kindly drop your message under the comment section. And like I said, if you are coming in for the first time, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the video so you can be notified anytime I post a new video that's going to actually help you a lot with your business and everything. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day ahead.